The use of gloves for doing kitchen work has become a norm. In various high-end diners, the staff must cover their bare hands with a pair of gloves. The rule has been set mainly to prevent cross-contamination that is more likely to happen with clammy, plain hands. Moreover, it also works as an effective safety measure against double-edged, serrated knives that may slit open your skin in no time. It does not apply only to individuals working in professional kitchens, but is equally important for homeowners. In our households, it's the females who mostly dominate the land of the kitchen than males. Hence it is worth wearing these gloves to protect their manicured hands from getting all rough and unkempt.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best kitchen gloves for cooking. So let's get started. Number 5. Magic Silicone Dishwashing Scrubber. Is buying a dishwasher being difficult for you? Or are you looking for something that would be effective, but also would protect your hands from getting all rough? Well, all your concerns can be put aside after buying the Home Magic Silicone Kitchen Gloves. It is a multifunctional set of gloves that are covered with spikes for thorough cleaning and assuring firm grip and control. The presence of spikes or bristles reduces the need for a sponge or brush for convenient cleaning. The silicone material of gloves makes them resistant to heat, therefore they can be used under boiling water. The gloves are highly versatile due to their unique design and style. It allows them to be used for cleaning and scrubbing dirt from dishes, fruits, vegetables, and so on. Number 4. Casabella 46060 Water Block Gloves. The Casabella 46060 kitchen gloves are a premium quality kitchen article you can find in the market. They are made of silicone and latex with an internal layer of cotton. This arrangement makes these gloves resistant to water leakage, as well as sturdy and long-lasting. Apart from the water blocking feature, they also have double cuffs which further prevent water from dripping. Moreover, the gloves are adorned with a groove-like pattern for better grip and control while carrying out kitchen chores. The additional inner lining does not result in perspiration, which may be a hindrance while cutting or dishwashing. The Casabella 46060 latex kitchen gloves are versatile and have a sleek appearance and also come in various colors. Number 3. Full Circle Splash Patrol Natural Latex Gloves. Full Circle has brought a sleek combination of latex and cotton in the form of gloves. This combination makes these gloves long-lasting and resistant to abrasion. Its anti-slip latex exterior and cotton-based cuff ensures firm control and grip and prevents water from entering inside it. Internally, the glove is lined with a soft material that not only makes it comfortable to wear but also waterproof. The dark color of the latex helps in concealing hard stains that may occur from heavy cooking. Also, the gloves are sturdy enough to endure the constraints of the dishwasher. Side or hang-dry loops are also present for rapid drying and cleaning. Number 2. DABOGOSA Cleaning Kitchen Rubber Gloves. Working in the kitchen for prolonged hours can take a toll on an individual's health. Well, using a moisturizer after every task will not make your hands all manicured and maintained as they initially were. So if you want to avoid having wrinkled and swollen fingertips, you better consider getting fine quality kitchen gloves. DABOGOSA rubber kitchen gloves are waterproof, which makes them an ideal choice for cleaning and kitchen work. Moreover, they are composed of soft rubber that makes them durable and resistant to wear and tear. The unique grain-like design on the exterior of these gloves plays a major role in providing a strong grip and control. The elasticity of these gloves makes them fit on the worker's hands securely. This way water is successfully prevented from entering inside the gloves. Moreover, they are resistant to heavy stains and can be cleaned in the dishwasher. The DABOGOSA rubber gloves are a befitting choice for dishwashing, kitchen cleaning, indoor and outdoor cleaning. Number 1. Mamison Kitchen Rubber Gloves. These top-quality kitchen gloves manufactured by Mamison and Company are the most durable and wear-resistant kitchen article one can have. They are made of rubber that makes them elastic enough to be worn easily without any hassle. In addition to this, the exterior of these gloves has a slip-resistant surface. The anti-slip feature ensures a tight and firm grip which makes the handling of fragile objects easy. Due to being entirely composed of rubber, they are lasting and can endure the pressure of dishwashing. The Mamison quality kitchen gloves are available in different sizes to cater to all sorts of customers. Moreover, the product comes in small, medium, and extra-large packaging. That was our list of the top 5 best kitchen gloves for cooking just for you.